Looking for a website builder? Let's dive into BOWWE. Find links below. BOWWE empowers small businesses, freelancers, and agencies to effortlessly build professional, high-performance websites. Renowned for its flexibility and advanced features, BOWWE goes beyond simple drag and drop. BOWWE standout feature? Template flexibility. Choose from modern, mobile responsive templates for business, e-commerce, or personal branding. But you're not stuck with rigid templates. BOWWE's intuitive drag-and-drop editor unlocks design freedom, letting you fine-tune every detail to match your vision. Need business tools? BOWWE's got you covered. Generate leads, schedule appointments, and interact with customers using built-in forms, pop-ups, and call-to-action buttons. Boost your SEO with integrated SEO tools and track performance with popular analytics platforms. Selling online? BOWWE's e-commerce functionality lets you create small online stores with product listings, payment gateways, and inventory management. Perfect for small to medium businesses seeking simplified e-commerce. Speed matters. BOWWE websites load quickly, optimizing user experience and search rankings. Plus, collaborate seamlessly on team projects. In short, BOWWE is a versatile website builder offering design flexibility, business tools, and performance optimization. Perfect for small businesses, freelancers, and creative professionals. Check the links below to explore BOWWE and see if it's right for you. This review should help you decide.